When you place a food order, something interesting happens almost instantly. Before the restaurant even starts cooking, before a driver is assigned, the app already shows you a delivery time. It might say 30 minutes. It might say 40 minutes. And most people never stop to ask how the app knows that so quickly. That number is not a guess, and it is not random. The app is using information from thousands of past deliveries to make a prediction in seconds. It looks at patterns, not promises. The goal is not to be perfect, the goal is to be close enough to keep everything moving smoothly. The delivery time prediction actually starts before you tap the order button. The app already knows how busy the restaurant usually is at that time of day. It knows how long similar meals normally take to prepare. It also knows how many drivers are active nearby and how long they usually take to reach that area. So when you place the order, the system is not starting from zero. It is adjusting an estimate that already exists. This is why the delivery time appears so fast. Most of the thinking has already been done. Many people assume delivery time is mostly about driving distance. In reality, cooking time is the biggest factor. The system looks at how long that restaurant usually takes to prepare food, not just today, but over many days. A busy kitchen can slow everything down, even if the restaurant is close. A fast kitchen can make a longer drive feel shorter. The app does not assume the restaurant will be fast or slow. It uses history to predict how long the food will realistically take to be ready. While the food is being prepared, the system is also thinking about drivers. It checks which drivers are nearby, what they are currently doing, and how long it would take them to reach the restaurant. The goal is timing. The app tries to send a driver so that they arrive just as the food is ready. If a driver arrives too early, they wait. If they arrive too late, the food gets cold. Predicting this balance is a big part of the delivery time estimate. Sometimes the delivery time changes after you place the order. This can feel confusing or frustrating. But it happens because the system is updating its prediction as new information comes in. If the restaurant is faster than expected, the time moves closer. If traffic builds up or a driver gets delayed, the time moves later. The app is not changing the time to annoy you. It is correcting itself as reality unfolds. Even with all this data, predictions are not perfect. Unexpected things happen. Traffic accidents, kitchen delays, phone signal problems, or driver issues can all affect timing. The system can only work with the information it has. When something unexpected happens, the estimate may feel wrong. That does not mean the system failed. It means reality changed after the prediction was made. Every completed delivery teaches the system something new. The app compares the predicted time with what actually happened. Over time, it learns which restaurants are reliable, which areas cause delays, and which predictions need adjustment. This learning happens quietly in the background. You do not see it, but it improves future estimates for everyone. That is why delivery time predictions slowly get better as the system gains experience. Predicting delivery time is not about being perfect. It is about coordinating restaurants, drivers, and traffic in a way that works most of the time. What looks like a simple number on your screen is actually the result of many systems working together. From your first tap, to the kitchen, to the driver, and finally to your door. Food delivery feels simple because the technology is doing the hard work quietly in the background. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. You can also follow us on the platforms on screen for more simple, easy to understand videos about the technology behind everyday products and systems.